Hey guys, Darth Vader here, and today we are going to be unboxing probably the rarest prop that I own. It is the Deadlift Zombie. Now, I got him off of eBay, and he wasn't cheap. He was almost $300, which I can kind of understand for it being a really old and rare prop, and it was sold exclusively at Spirit Halloween, which adds to the rarity. And now this box, it's huge, okay? It goes above my knees, and I'm 5'10 and a half, so that's huge. Let me compare it to my other boxes that I have for my other two props. Those are the boxes that I have for my other two props, the Creepy Caretaker and the Guardian of the Grave. And that's for the Deadlift Zombie. Now I know the box for it is actually, the actual box for the Deadlift Zombie is inside of this huge box. Wow, I'm just, wow, it's a huge box. But anyways, I got a pocket knife here that I can use to cut it open. I don't have a razor. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Right. Okay, so here's the box right here. It's pretty dusty actually. Let me get rid of the bubble wrap. Okay, here's the box for it, the actual box, and I see there is still some tape here. You need to cut that off. Oh, still some. Alright, here he is. This is the Deadlift Zombie right here. And yeah, here's the head. Hang on. And it does come with an adapter, and that it also came with the step pad. I'm gonna have to look for that, but here's the head. And this prop was made by YJ. I think that's what the company's name is called, YJ Toys and Crafts. Okay, so here is the torso. Hang on, let me move the camera for a minute here. Alright, so yeah, here's the torso. And it does have the step pad. There. And it comes with this. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's like fake grass, fake dead grass or something, I don't know, but then it does come with the adapter here. The adapter, and I think this is a motion sensor, I think. And here are the instructions. Okay. Number 1, carefully remove all the parts from the packaging, including one zombie head, one zombie body, one poly bag containing neck rope, AC/DC adapter. Okay. And here are the arms. This is what one of the arms look like. I'm going to go ahead and put the head on. Alright, the head has been put on. Now, let's see if I can plug in the step pad here. Not sure where the step pad jack is. Gotta look around here. is that step pad jack? Hang on, I'm gonna need to find it. Oh, never mind. The foot pad jack is not on the base. It's actually right here. Right, I'm gonna plug it in. All right, let's try them out for the first time. Wow, that was cool. It's a pretty simple setup, actually. Just all you gotta do is just put on the head and then plug them in. I think I'm gonna try them just one more time real quick. Whew, wow, that's really cool. I really want to go over the detail real quick. He has a really cool detailed looking face. I like how they added the scab marks here. And I like the detail on his clothes too. They got a pretty good material on here. I like that they added blood stains there. And I think this also has a sound sensor as well. But I don't think the sound sensor will work if there's a foot pad connected to it. But I also like that it's got LED lights over there too. I'm actually kind of speechless right now. I can't believe that I actually have this prop. I had no idea that I would get this in a million years. But wow, this is probably one of my favorite props that Spirit Halloween ever had. I wish they did more props kind of like this one, made by YJ. I kind of wish that they did more props like the Creepy Caretaker or the Guardian of the Grave. I wish they would bring this one back, because this was kind of like a first gen version of like Damien, even though they're made by two separate companies. But anyways, that's pretty much all I gotta say about this prop. But wow, this is really cool. I never would have thought that I would get it. I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this as much as I did. And if you did, please press the like button and subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you get notified for every video that I make. And make sure to comment down below to tell me what you thought of this video. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye, guys.